Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we have a Temu unboxing and it is really exciting. So I've got these three paintings to show. Belch there, to apologise. Three paintings to show, and I'm going to be introducing you to something that I've never seen before, which is in this one. But we'll see. Yeah, let's start off with that one. So you might have seen, imagine, think back to The Wizard of Oz. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Anyway. But I saw this on Temu. Look how adorable these little cats are. You know that colour changing horse in as he's walking in the Emerald City? That's what that reminded me of. And this is a really lovely, easy to open canvas. It's been on in my Temu cart for quite a while. But what's really interesting is most of the canvases I work on have got like little square symbols. If you look at this, they've done that in like a little round symbol rather than the standard square blocks that you get. But let's take a look at this. Oh wow, yeah man. Bonus, we hardly ever get inventory sheets like this. So that's brilliant, fantastic. Very nice of them to do that. And look, oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, look at that. That is, oh man, I'm speechless. That is really cleared print. But can you see what I mean? Again, here, you see it's rounds. I've never worked, obviously it's a round drill, but I've never seen round symbols. They're normally square, but I think that's really beautiful, lovely, colourful painting. I do think the colours are going to be quite sharp in, colour and that, because you can see here it's pretty vibrant from there, but let's see if that's going to be the case when we open it up nearer in the time. But there we go, so that's that one. This one has 18 colours, so really good, and it is a 30x40 and a landscape, which is quite nice. So we'll put that over to one side for the minute. We've got ourselves our painting tray with a few little bags there, so I'll get them out to you, Tessa. And I think this is just wonderful. As I said, we very rarely get, inventory sheets. So that's quite nice of them to do that. But yeah, oh wow, this is really posh. So in here, obviously, you've got yourself 18 colours. Maybe this came from Victoria's Moon a while back, maybe. Sorry, my phone's playing up yet again, as per usual. So yeah, maybe that's what they did. It's really cool. But anyway, let's take a look at the colours. Yeah, I thought so. They're all individually wrapped. But yeah, that looks really snazzy. And as you can see here, we have got all sorts of different colours here. I don't know why they're all separate, but very big, bright colours here. Really lovely indeed. So we've got some lilacs, we've got a green, we've got some blacks and a minty sort of colour. So I'm just going to get I just need to get the plug because I'm filming with my old iPhone and it's causing a bit of a problem at the moment. So yeah, so in here, apologies if you can hear roadworks outside. It's 12 o'clock at night and they've decided to re-tarmac the street, as you can see. You hear that? 12 o'clock and they're doing this. Yeah. So yeah, Alexa. Hello. But yeah, that's probably going to keep people up all night, but I don't care about that. But they have to get a special license for that. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:10
See,
a.m.
12:10 a.m. and we've got that going through the roads. Lovely. Sounds a bit like a combine harvester going through the field. Because they've got a similar engine there, but you've got dark blue. And obviously I live right near a main street, you see, so it's quite, I mean my bedroom's towards the back, but I'm still likely going to hear it, but they started at like 6 o'clock. But anyway, we got some greens. Oh yeah, that's emerald. That looks really snazzy. I like that. Fabulous. Oh, I'm fabulous, la 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 la, you know. And then we got browns. Oh, Hobie. Please say that will fit Hobie. Oh, that could just be our prey of hope there for the Hobie. And then we can just finish that last little patch off. We've got some blacks there, greens. I'm really impressed with this quality of this painting and the drills. I mean, it's got diamond written on it as well. So, not normally do you get them personalised. I know Diamond Art Club does that. But yeah, wow, really happy with that. So we'll put these over to one side for the minute, and then we'll get the next painting out. Okay, so the next painting that I've got here, another sort of summery one there, and this will be coming in, I mean, you're probably not going to see this for a while yet, but yeah, it is really, I'll try and get this one up early actually, because might switch the schedule around a bit, because this would be filmed after July the 15th, but then by that time summer's probably going to be over, so I'll probably get this one up early instead, because I really would like to get it started. So we'll get that to one side. In here, I saw this on Temu, and you know I've got that Starship Globe. Well, I've been looking at this one. Oh gosh, that's a bit wish-washy pastel colours there, but okay, it's supposed to look like that, but looking at this, it's come out a hell of a lot different than what I anticipated, but it is a clear print. It's not pixelated, so that's a bonus. We'll just have to see how it comes out. I'm still going to do it, but I wasn't expecting it to be so wish-washy. Pastel sort of colours there, as you can see. So we'll have to wait and see what we can do with that. But yeah, this is another summery one that I wanted to do. With the large bald egg, and then you've got the starfishes and a lovely little flower there. So this is a 25 colours, and you've got 30 times 40 on that as well. We've got ourselves the tray with the bags and the little wax there, so really good. And then in here we have our bag of drills. I was watching a YouTuber today, and she's got a pet parrot, or a parakeet, which is a type of parrot, in her diamond painting, and the parrot was helping her to undo the drills, and it tried to pick up the pencil. It was so funny, and trying to tear the canvas and that. I'm in love with that colour. It's that really sort of glowy, it sort of gives you the glow in the dark vibe. Talking of which, I need to get teal, again, lovely colour. I need to get a glow in the dark painting. That is a must. I need to try them out. Okay, and then we've got some light blue, orange, and that's gorgeous. Look at that, peach, pinks, a bit green, very sharp red there, and then we've got a butterscotch sort of colour. So a pastel orange. It's not very often I get to work with pastels, so it's really quite lovely when pastels do come up. Nice blue there, and as you can see, really lovely, fantastic. So that's that one there. We'll put that over to one side, and we'll get the last of the painting out here. Once again, I do apologise about the noise. They are doing resurfacing of the main street that's right next to where I live, so apologies if you can hear the Balfour Betty there. But this one, oh gosh, it's got stuck. Doesn't want to come out of the pack. This is another 20x20 version, and this is absolutely gorgeous, and it is, look how nice that is. Really lovely. 20x20, 13 colours, and it's sort of like a wintry sort of, you know, Christmassy sort of colour, if you like. For me, it was all the blue on it. I love blue, that's my favourite colour. But the vibrant of, you know, the sharp colour and vibrancy of this lovely, this is really loud. Can you hear this? Oh my God. Wow. Sounds like a bloody, like one of them, what do they call it? Them twister hurricanes. I don't know what they're called, but torpedo, that's what it sounds like. But yeah, I suppose they have to do it through the night, because obviously they've got to get the roads back up and running for the morning. But considering they started at 6, I would have thought they'd be finished by now. But anyway, we did get a letter about it, but yeah. So 13F, but yeah, I really think that's going to be quite nice. This is going to form on a Tuesday, so I'm really excited to do this. and yeah, can't wait. So that's that little 20x20. We'll put that over to one side there, and we've got this one. No bags in this one, but that's no problem. And we've got a tray there, so really good. Let's get into our bag of drills. Apologies that I couldn't, film it in the Temu bag. They keep bundling my parcels together, even though I ordered them separately. And it came with this. This is a cactus pen, and you've got the pen there, and the plant pot's the lid. How groovy is that? But any ones now that it's very difficult because I try and get all the gadgets, in one order and all the paintings in another order, but then they bundle it, so it's very difficult. But the new system is I'm going to be just doing paintings one day. I'll wait until it gets on the plane and it says flight departure, then I'll do like the gadget side of things. Hello, we're plane skipping. So I thought, well, I'm trying to keep it diamond paint related, so I'll take all the stuff out what I ordered apart from the diamond painting. And yeah, so this is really lovely. Again, that lovely colour's cropped up again. Look at that. Matches my mat there. It's very vibrant. I love blue so much. I've actually got 2 different blue pens. Look at that. Really gorgeous. So in here, again, some lovely blues. Grey blue, I think that's called. And yeah, look at that. Absolutely superb. And that's that. So that's all that we've got here today, guys. So let me know what your favourite is. Is it going to be this one here, which is your 2 birds? I think it's probably a blue tip. I'm not too sure on that one. We've got this lovely sort of egg washy pastel one. And then we've got, as I said, follow the yellow brick road. But these cats, I do love cats, although my mum don't like cats. I personally wouldn't have a cat as a pet because I don't like the way they crawl around your leg. That really irritates me. Sometimes they'll just like curl around your leg. Oh, I don't like that. But I just love cats. I don't know why. I just have a passion for cats. But yeah, I just saw this and I thought that's going to be lovely. And again, it's lovely colour block sections up the top here. So yeah, it's going to be such a wonderful one, and I really hope it turns out that vibrant as well. But yeah, that's our latest Temu haul. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. There's more Temu hauls coming up soon, and yeah, please remember to tap the bell to be notified of future videos. Check out my sister channels in the video description. If you want to get me a gift, the Amazon wishlist is there, and I really hope Temu come out with a wishlist. I think it would be really nice if they could offer that, and then people like, because obviously a lot of people like buying me gifts, so if people wanted to send gifts to people, I think that would be quite a good idea. But I think it's safe to say that most of us love Temu now. But anyway, that's that, and I can't wait. I'm not sure when I'll do this because I've got quite a few different cats, so I might do a cat theme, I'm not sure yet. But take care, have a lovely day, and I'll catch you later.